When you buy a maintenance plan from Anthem Mechanical, we give you 2 air conditioning maintenances. That's a spring and a fall. And then we give you once a year, we do your plumbing maintenance. We come out, we flush your water heater, check the PRV, make sure that your water pressure in your home is properly set. Look at all the toilets, fixtures, faucets, all your hose bibs to look for any areas of potential leaks, wear and tear, calcium buildup, things like that. And then we show you what's going on and give you the options on how to best protect your house and what devices are out there available for you so that you can make the right decision to have your home safe and secure all year round. So give us a call at Anthem. I'd love to answer any questions you have. Send one of our professionals out to help you with your maintenance and plumbing needs.